And we're here today at the RAMY workshop about to show you a Fox Stage 3 installed on this JLU. As you know, we mainly offer Fox Stage 3 as a smooth ride with super lift coils, which are very nice, very smooth. But today, this customer has decided to go for like la crème de la crème, the most premium lift kit in the market. Designed and built by AEV, American Exhibition Vehicles. AEV is known to be like the Bentley of the cars or the Bentley of the Jeeps. Super highly designed for comfort, quality, and everything else that you would like on your car. You do pay premium, but you do get what you're paying for. So over here, we have a Fox Stage 3 paired with an AEV smooth ride suspension system. Fox Stage 3 is one of the best shocks that you can have on your JL. It's a 2.5, comes with a long hose attached to this remote reservoir, and comes with these double speed compression adjusters. So you can actually tune it for low end speed and high end speed. So if you're driving slow, you can have a special knob for that. And if you're driving fast on the sand, you have another knob for that. The adjustability is just wide, and that makes the whole experience much nicer. This is one level below the Stage 4 of the 3.0s that everybody loves, that many cannot afford. For people that cannot afford the 3.0 or don't need it, the Stage 3 2.5 is the way to go. I would say it is the best in its category. Obviously, I'm a Fox guy, so I'm gonna say that regardless. But based on experience, it's smoother than almost any 2.5 in the market, will give you better performance and comfort than any other 2.5 in the market. So that's about it. Over here, we have a super premium setup, AEV suspension, and Fox shocks. If you're interested to go for the same, higher or lower, we got your back. We have pretty much everything for your needs. Thank you.